Here it is. I don't know how it sounds. I have no idea what I'm doing, but let's open it. What is happening? I'm sorry, I don't know. Open it. Here it is. Here it is. Why is it so dark? Excuse the lighting. The weather is not very good today. The sun keeps going up and down, but I just wanted to show you guys this new microphone that we have. It looks great. It looks great. It looks great. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And there are buttons here for the sound and for recording and for the volume and stuff. And this side we have different what do you call this? I don't know, but you use this one for podcasts and stuff like that, and you use this one for interviews or presentations, and you use this one when there are a lot of people around for crowds and all that. So I don't know which one I will be using. I will experiment with this one on my first video, and I'll keep moving from this one and check out the other ones so that I can find out which sounds better. So I don't know. And the side, I'll keep just adjusting these buttons. I will adjust them randomly. I just adjust them and see what happens. So yeah, we have a microphone, and thank you so much. and to everybody who has joined the channel by clicking the join button. We are currently at 20 members for people who have joined, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. So thank you to everybody who has joined. You guys have no idea how much you help me. In this time of struggle that I'm in. So yeah, we have a microphone. I don't know what this video should sound like or what it should be, but I was just doing anything that's random. I don't know if I will post it or not, or if it will look great either, because the sun just keeps fluctuating, keeps going down and up, down and up. Lipoma lichona, lipome lichona ilanga. So andiyazi ke bizobanjani le video, and I don't want it to be longer than 10 minutes. Ndiyabonga enkosi, kiyaleboa. Thank you. That was me saying thank you in different South African languages. Kiyaleboa. Ndiyabonga. Danki. Enkosi. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I'd like to thank my mom, my dad. What am I doing? Okay, on a serious note, thank you guys. For supporting me such that I am even able to buy a microphone. Your support means the world to me.